Good day, ma'am. Mary Grace Turanya. So, I am Izzy Menalaza from BSN1A. So, I'm going to talk about the case study 1. So, this situation is really heartbreaking. Matthew Donnelly was in so much pain and he had no hope of getting better. It is understandable why he begged for his suffering to an end and why his brother felt like helping him was an act of love. But even if it came from compassion, actively killing him is not generally considered right. In most places, it is against the law, and many people believe that no one should end another person's life. So, life is still seen as valuable, even if in the suffering. So, at the same time, it's hard to judge his brother because he was only trying to help someone he loved, who was in extreme pain instead of active in euthanasia. So many believe that it would have been better to focus on giving Matthew proper care to reduce his pain and let him pass naturally. So in the end, I don't think it was right to actively kill him, but I can understand why it happened. It shows how complicated and emotional this situation can be. So I'm going to proceed in case study 2. For me, the law has the right to step in the situation. Amina is only 13 years old and she is still young. So to fully understand what marriage really means, it's not about simple decision. It affects her whole life, including her health, education, and future. So I understand that her parents believe they are doing the right thing, but they want to protect her and follow their tradition, and that comes from love. But even if it is intention is good, it doesn't always mean the outcome is right for the child. So traditions are important, but they should not put someone at risk or take away their choices. That's why the law is there to protect young people like Amina, who may not be able to speak or decide for themselves. So even if they may feel like the law is interfering with the family matters, it is I think it is necessary in this case. Amina deserves the chance to grow, study, and choose her own future when she is ready. Thank you, ma'am.